Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your Roku app on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store, and on the search bar, simply search for the Roku app, just like how I'm doing right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on this application right over here, download and install it onto your device, and finally you can simply tap on open. Once you've done that, in order for you to go ahead and log in, click on continue, click on skip, and there you go. You're going to be on this page right over here. It's going to let you to either connect to your Roku, or you can simply go ahead and tap on this account section, simply tap on sign in. Go ahead and enter your email, your password down here, click on sign in, and your account should be logged back in. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next.